What's up, guys? My name is T. Wynn. I'm the CEO and founder of Massive Muffins, changing the face of the earth with muffins. Getting permits was probably my hardest thing. I came out to Colorado on an internship, so I didn't know anybody. And so I was like, I don't really know what to do. Should I go door to door? If I go door to door, people will probably think, I'm selling muffins with weed in them as I talk to people on the street. And so I decided to go to get permits so I could just set up like a table on the sidewalk of Boulder. The Boulder community was my target, so set up like a thing in Walmart or a table so that I could sell my muffins and that they could give me money and I would give me their muffins. My cost was zero money in starting the business. I got only to the point of making phone calls. What it cost me in life, though, is the experience and my grade. The profit was $0 in money value, and what it profited me in life, I learned that it takes a long time to get to permits. Massive Muffins fails. And it is a failure because it never actually got off the ground. I started by making phone calls. I was trying to get permits, but no one on the phone, after 15, 20 phone calls that took me 6 weeks to go through, no one could give me a straight answer on where I need to go to get permits, on who I need to talk to. I talked to Walmart and Safeway, and no one. They told me that I couldn't set up a table in front of them if it just didn't work that way. The other reason why Massive Muffins failed was of distractions. I got distracted out here. Instead of focusing on opening up the business, I got distracted in climbing mountains, going to Chautauqua Park, going down the river, and different things like that. And the structure. I didn't want to accept the structure of the business. I don't want to do it 5 Saturdays. And so Massive Muffins fails as a business failure. Things I've learned from this experience of coming to Colorado, trying to find permits. The one thing that I really learned is look into permits in advance. I'm glad that I did my research because as I called people and asked them if there was legal applications, there was legal issues in just setting up a table on the sidewalk. And so I was really grateful for not just going out there and setting up a table on the sidewalk, but really finding out that there is, a way to go. And I was trying to do it so I didn't have to do it a sneaky way. Don't make it too complicated. I wanted to sell to hundreds of thousands of people. I should have just kept it simple and sold, 50 muffins for $2 to the people maybe in my singles ward and different things like that. The other thing that I learned is even when starting a business, you still have to deal with the ups and downs of life. I lost my internship. 3 weeks into it, I lost my internship. They laid me off, and I needed to find work. And so an opportunity opened up, and I became a health coach. And part of the problem that I should have dealt with was finding another job. And so I just didn't want to put my time and effort into this $100 challenge when life was screaming at me in the face, how am I supposed to pay my bills out in Colorado? There is no excuse for me not starting this business. I take full responsibility of its failure as its owner. I've learned a lot of great lessons that have helped me know what to do next when a $100 challenge comes up, to accept structure and not be so distracted, and also look for permits in advance. So again, this is the CEO of Massive Muffins that never actually got started.